Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deathmatch, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a updating player list. First off, let's go ahead and just insert a UI into the starter GUI. So insert object and a screen GUI, and I'm just going to name this main UI. And next, let's go ahead and insert a frame right here. Now this is going to be our main sort of frame here. We can toss that right there. That looks good. Not going to do too much stylizing of it. I'm just going to make sure I name this background. Then we'll go ahead and insert a scrolling frame. There we go. And again, I'm not going to stylize it, but you can choose to stylize it however you want because you're a independent person. Now I do want to get rid of the scroll bar on the side, so I'm just going to go ahead and find that. There we go. 0. There we go. And I'll just change the color so it's easier to see. Background color to a little bit of a gray. There we go. And there's our simple UI we have. Next, what we want to do is go ahead and insert another frame into the scrolling frame, and this time we're going to go ahead and set the size of x to 1 and 0, and we're going to set this to 0.07 and 0. There we go, and 0.7 looks great, and border size of 0, and we can go ahead and call this player frame. There we go. Now let's go ahead and insert a image label like so. Toss this right there. 150-ish. That looks good. And just go ahead and change this to like 0.050. No, that's way too small. 0.20. Now, once you've styled that image label all you want, go ahead and call that player icon. Player icon. And now let's go ahead and insert a text label. And here, I just want to move it a little bit. I'm going to change this to just 1, 0, and 1, 0. I'll be right back after I stylize this. So once you have your text box all stylized, you can go ahead and click text scaled and change the name to player name. There we go. Next, let's go ahead and move the player frame over to replicated storage. Simple as that. And now let's go ahead and insert a script into our player list. Next, let's go ahead and call this scrolling frame player list. And then we're going to go ahead and insert a script right into there. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and call this update player list control. Now, before we get started scripting, I do want to let you know that I do have the entire script in a paste bin, which you can find the link in my Discord. So if you would like to join my Discord, you can just go to the link in the description and go ahead and join. Function update player list, parentheses, and do a couple and local get players equals game dot players colon get players. There we go. And let's type local x equals 1 and if script dot parent colon find first child player frame then for key comma value in pairs get players do. And if script dot parent colon find first child player frame, then script dot parent colon find first child, and then we'll go ahead and do player frame colon destroy, and just toss a wait in there as well. Now let's go ahead and down out of the if statement that we have there and enter a couple times, and local position equals -0.07 for key value in pairs get players do local UI clone equals game dot replicated storage dot player frame colon clone local user ID equals get players bracket x dot user ID UI clone dot parent equals script dot parent UI clone dot player name dot text equals get players brackets x dot name. And next, let's go do local thumb type equals enum thumbnail type dot headshot. Local thumb size equals enum dot thumbnail size dot size 420 by 420. And local content comma is ready equals game dot players colon get user thumbnail async user ID thumb type and thumb size. There we go. Then let's go ahead and do UI clone dot player icon dot image equals content, and UI clone dot position equals udim2 dot new 0, 0 position plus 0.075 comma 0, and position equals UI clone dot position dot y dot scale x equals x plus 1 and weight 0.1. There we go. So we are now almost done with our script. We just need one more thing to do. Let's go ahead and press enter at the very bottom, and we'll do while true do update player list, then wait 5. This wait statement is how long it takes to refresh. So if somebody joins, it's going to take 5 seconds for it to refresh and show that the player joined, or if somebody leaves, it's going to take 5 seconds to show that the player left. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the game so we can go ahead and test it out. As you can tell, it has my icon right there, which is my profile picture basically, and then my name. So I'm going to go ahead and quick show you a video of it working with several people joining at once so you guys can get an idea how it works. So that is it for today's video. I hope you guys did enjoy it, and I hope you guys did learn what you were looking for. Also, I am really close to 100 subscribers, so if you are not subscribed, please think about subscribing. It would be amazing. Anyways, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow.